Yo, my dear friends. Today I am introduce uh, my lighting setup in my studio. Okay, this is making a DIY. Let's use make. Now we going to video. Dear friends, this is my lighting setup. This make you to use on pipe in the 52 mm pipe. This use make this. And this light strip, this attach this the pipe in the 50 millimeters. Okay, and this is able going to my studio. This is two lighting into the my room. My light is this is main light in the my room. Okay, next light is this is my next light. This is into this my sound bar to in this attach this this is this light indicate to this highlight this my motherboard. My Z8 is our Pro 3 motherboard highlight this light and this is this light is special. This light use in the camera or another device camera is a noise clear. It's a noise high quality video and lighting. This lighting I recommended. This is this light strip price in Sri Lankan rupees. It's 400 rupees. I'm this buy and one strip buy in 400 rupees. And these two pieces of light I have going to the 800 rupees in Sri Lankan rupees. I guess this LED to strip to power to in the 12 volt battery and power supply to this power the 12 volt car battery and this use the power supply this light to 12 volt light I'm used as this light is good light this light is good and my video too is help and my to more I'm recommended to you use this light in the studio. Okay guys, finally this is my studio lighting setup. It's so simple. So this is I have special to my hand light. This is my hand light. This is use this button click and this use if I okay this light is battery low is this use I my videos in the my face then other device look this use works this right. Okay guys, finally this is my light setup. It's a simple light setup in my studio. Okay guys, today my video finished. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.